I'm shocked at the level of violence now that's happening within Gaza. You cannot bomb an urban conurbation as dense as Gaza without killing innocent women and children. And as I said yesterday, and I've been saying consistently, Israel has an obligation to adhere to international humanitarian law.
And where does bombing ambulances fit in that?
It doesn't fit into that. And proportionality and necessity are key principles of international humanitarian law. And in my view, they were not applied in this situation. And I think the World Health Organization have been very strong in articulating the view that ambulances are off limit, hospitals are off limit.
Do you believe the Israeli position?
In war, it's very difficult for journalists, media, and people who are viewing things from afar to be precise judges in terms of what is transpiring in respect of any one incident. But what I'm looking at is the death toll, and particularly the number of children who are dying, and the number of innocent civilians. And the key principle is that the lives of civilians must be protected.